All right. And that's a bit too loud. Okay, guys. Welcome. Yeah, we've had yesterday was a great day. What a day yesterday was, guys. Didn't I say it's going to be bearish? Not a bad shout, was it? Brilliant trading yesterday. I actually caught one in the PM as well. Another long in the PM. So I was three for three yesterday. Really nice trading yesterday. It was beautiful what the market gave us. And today is looking like it might be the same because PPI is coming really hot. PPI is coming really hot. Market rallied, massive rally, almost back to all-time highs. But yeah, I already caught a short again in the morning today. It could be the same. You know, yesterday we got a little bit of bearishness and then a move higher. So that is something that I'm watching right now. It looks like it could be on the cards. We do have some levels here. Let me grab some gamma levels as well. Okay, nice little selling there. Yeah, this is the level I'm looking at. The 130 level here on NQ for a possible long trade. Then we've got the daily low, so a sweep of that and move higher. Aside from that, I'm not looking at anything else. Have a look at yes. Yeah, PPI came in massively to the upside, so it looks like rate cuts are off the table, and ES is really tanking here. Yeah, we're under the key gamma strike here. Zero gamma, we're still in positive gamma, so we should find plenty of support. Okay, S&P. Yeah, that's under the key gamma strike as well. But the zero gamma is we're still in positive gamma territory, so we should find some support. Hi Paige, how you doing? Long time no see. Nice to have you back trading. Market's selling off really nicely here. I'm looking at this level. Have I got my paper trade on yet? I'm just remaining patient here. Let's just get an order ready. Nice dips, yeah. Yesterday was epic day. I was 3 for 3 yesterday. Yeah, it was absolutely brilliant. I read it perfectly as well. I was expecting the sell-off. I was expecting a big sell-off. I kind of expect a sell-off today as well, given that news. Yesterday's news was also really bad, so I was expecting the sell-off. Market needed an excuse. That's what I said on stream. And we got a huge move down, but we caught some really nice trades in here. I took one short to open and 2 longs after that. All were banging trades, yeah. I'm kind of expecting the same thing today. We could get a big sell-off again. So I'm just staying patient. Time's been limited, yeah. Could get a pop here. Yeah, really nice move to the upside there. Very aggressive move. Back to the VWAP. That is pretty aggressive. This might get past the VWAP here. Did we get some news? Marcus, that was a bit of a weird candle. Or was that news? Okay, the IMF. A risk of a technical recession if oil prices stay high in 2027, and IDF is prepared to resume fighting if necessary. Where is my water bottle? That's the more important thing. Okay. Trump's also in China. Trump and Xi had to wait tariff cuts on 30 billion of imports. Okay, that was that candle trying to move higher. All right. So yeah, be watching that news today, because Trump and Xi, President Xi of China, are in a meeting. So we need to be watching that today, because that could move the needle. Okay, nice little selling from the VWAP. Come on, keep coming down. Give us an opportunity here. Come on, market. Okay. 914. All the way down here, damn. Okay. Just trying to concentrate here, guys, because we're getting close to the level of interest. Yeah, I'm thinking too long, yeah. Levels around 125. I'm just paying attention to the tape here. This tape is very bearish, so we may just have to be patient. See what ES is doing. ES took its daily low as well. All right, it is into the level I'm interested in, but the tape is really bearish right now, so I'm just holding off. I need to see a sign of strength here. There's nothing at all just yet, so I'm not going long. If I did, that would have been a quick stop out, I think. All right, now we're going under the daily low on NQ. That's another level of interest I'm looking at. I'm looking for NQ to sweep this daily low first. It's really bearish, so we need to be very careful here. See what SPX is doing. Okay. Okay, ES is at a good level. Yeah, ES is a really strong level here. Yeah, this looks like pretty good, to be honest. This looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna try one here. It's I trade NQ, but the level is more from ES. I'm using NQ as a proxy. I'm trading it on NQ though. Okay. It looks all right. Looking for a move into 220. Come on, NQ. I need to see some more bullish delta in here. Come on, NQ. Yeah. Looks like it's going to squeeze some shorts. Oh, nice. Right, give us that top of 220. All right, beautiful. All right, I'll just take it off here now. Yeah, that's a great start. That's beautiful. Yep, 220 hit. That's a beautiful trade. Okay. Yeah, that was more based off the ES. I used ES as the I was using NQ as the proxy, but the level was more from ES, and you know NQ has a tendency to make a fake out before it actually takes the daily low as well. So usually it gets people bearish, thinking we're gonna you know, smashed through the daily low, and everybody piles in, and we can see that in the order flow as well. I could show you that. Everybody's piling in here at the low of this candle, thinking we're just going to keep falling. And what does the market do? Reverses instead. SPX was at a very key level here. And ES as well. ES was at a very key level, already taking the daily low as well. So ES already took its daily low. NQ hadn't. People in NQ traders were getting bearish here, and now the traps. And yeah, market's pulling back after we taking our profits. 220-ish was the level, and yeah, pretty nice, wasn't it? 220, yeah, that was the level I was targeting, and that's where we're pulling back from as well. So yeah, pretty good read on the market so far, pretty decent. And now I'll wait for the sweep of the daily low. If I get a sweep, then I'll take another trade. If not, cool, I'll sit out. I've already taken 2 wins already. I took a short in the morning. Just when we opened, I took a short. That was for like 45 points. I didn't want to get trapped or caught, so I put some money on the board. I did that yesterday as well. And now we got about 70 points off this one. So yeah, really nice. So Paige, if you're still in here and you took that trade, W. So really nice. Seeing this market pretty nicely. Once again, some really nice healthy volume coming into the market. WWW, yeah. WWE. Yeah, I think I'm going to figure out a way to stream to TikTok as well. Today I'm going to figure that out, so I can start streaming to TikTok audience. Yeah, what a great spot to take the TP, eh? I do know a little bit about these markets, eh? You can't say. NQ's holding the daily open here. It's trying to hold the daily open. I can see that. Trying to rally from the daily open. Bitcoin is, yeah, it's really tanking today. Damn. Yeah, the rate cut thing is spooking crypto. I don't think they're going to be cutting rates this year. It looks very unlikely. S&P's trying to rally here. Yeah, this is another level that could find some support on the S&P. And then we've got a massive put wall as well. Yeah, that's going to find support, I'm pretty sure. Before we sweep, it attempts to sweep this, if it does, that means. Okay, new 30-minute candle just opened. What is this? Okay. NQ about to smack into the daily open. Okay, NQ. Yeah, NQ's struggling here to bring this market down. Looks like he might want to rally actually. Oof, a lot of shorts just coming in there. Wow. Okay, nice. Some aggressive shorts coming in. Really aggressive shorts. But equally aggressive longs. Man. There's a big battle at the daily open. I can smell a rally coming. I really can. Yeah, bears are struggling here. Bears are really struggling. To bring this market lower. Just got a feeling it's gonna pop to the upside. I don't know why. It's the feeling I'm getting though. Okay, nice little dump there. All right, finally getting the dump. On the daily open now. Come on, NQ. Don't let him off the hook now. Got him where you want him. Come on, NQ. Oh, it's popping. Yeah, this is a bit of a battle. It's a battle that the bears should win. See what ES is doing. Okay, S&P is trying to roll over. Now, bulls are stepping in now. Oh, look at this. Yeah, I did have that feeling. I did have that feeling they're going to rip this. Man. They can rip this all the way down up to 240, which is near the VWAP as well. Yeah. I think that's what they're going to do here. And then they're going to hit the 240 level. That was a bear trap. It looked like one. It just, when NQ doesn't move fast enough and has limited velocity, it's all it's doing is creating a trap. When it's taking too long to take the lows, it's just creating a trap to reverse it, and now it's probably going to keep going higher here. We have a choppy open though today. Apart from the long that we call, everything else has just been choppy now. Alright, they're bringing it straight back down. And straight back up again. I favor the move to 240 actually. I think that's what they're trying to do here, is to get to the VWAP. Yeah. I think this is probably going to be the candle to take it there. This next 5 minute. Really indecisive though. It's taking out traders left and right. But I think they're going to do it here. They're above the point of control. It usually means they're getting up for a move higher. They're trapping some people at the point of control. Oof. Actually taking it down now. This is a complete chop fest. Has no idea what he wants to do here. I still favor the upside. I still think they're going to go higher and then come lower again. CVD is starting to look bullish in this little zone. Bulls look like they got the upper hand here. This could be the candle that takes it to 240. This could be that candle. Let's look at 185. It looks strong though. The delta looks really strong. It looks like this is the candle they want to do it. Up into the 190s. Yeah, they're reloading bid. This is the one. Yeah, this is the candle, guys. There she goes, up into the 200s now. $240 is my target on this. I'm not in a trade, but if I was, it would only be a long. Like I said before, I favored the move to the upside. 205. Still got legs. This it's gonna go. $215. VWAP is 234. Right, 220s. Got up to the 220s. 240 is my target. All right. Tap in near the VWAP. Yeah, 240 next. Yeah. 230 VWAP hit. I think it's going to poke his nose above the VWAP here. $235. There's 240. There's the 240 tap. Bitcoin wants none of this. Yeah, yes, with a massive move as well to the upside. Okay, 240 has been tapped. Looks like it's got some more legs though. Looks like it's going to keep going. But 240 is major resistance. I expected the poke above the VWAP, like I said. But could still keep going. A lot of bullish deltas just jumped in here. Oof. Up to the 260s. Oh man, this is big. Yeah. Once again, we're right on the direction. Yeah. I'm not going to be taking any trades in here. I'm going to be looking for NQ to sweep the daily low if it gives it to us. If it doesn't, then I'm going to stay out today. I'm going to stay out of the market. I've already caught two great trades today, and I'm happy with that. So yeah, I'm going to chill. I'm going to sit back. I'm just going to let the market do its thing. If it doesn't give us an opportunity for the rest of the day, that's okay with me. That's fine. Getting a pullback now, the market. I think this one's higher. Looks like it. Looks like it could start trading really aggressively to the upside. So yeah. Yeah, but that's me gone, guys. I've done my job for today. I'm happy with the performance. Yeah, if the market gives me another trade, it gives me another trade. But yeah, guys, thank you all for joining. I hope you were able to catch that beautiful long with us earlier. But if you haven't, come and join tomorrow. Tune in tomorrow, same time, guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.